What's up guys, your Black Rider here. Today we're going to do something a bit out of the ordinary. We're going to go to a track day with my friend who has a Corvette. He drives it with something in Sweden it's called time attack. Everyone probably knows what it is. You drive your car in a racetrack as fast as you can and set the best time on that track against other people. We'll keep you in touch for the rest of the day, and I'll make some more videos and pictures of the day, and we'll see you later.
Yeah, I'm not gonna lie to you kids, it's a f***ing jungle out there. Keep your head on tight, unknown brain and mind me, baby, let's do it. Y'all see me flying, never drop down, smoking high, I am not round, I'm not round, no denying what I got now, keep an eye out, keep it locked down, see me flying, never drop down, smoking high, I am not round, I'm not round, no denying what I got now, keep an eye out, keep it locked down, you're too strong, wanna battle with the beast, bring a few on, the commander and the chief for my crew on. Bullets rattling and whistle at your toque. Never sleep, eyes open, hands clutching on my loop. This a war zone. This a war zone. Yo, this a motherfucking war zone. The impact, yeah, break it open, leaving nothing f***ing intact. Hey yo, you been hacked, you're safe hiding, but I found it, homie, been cracked. Hey yo, we been back, your band stacking, see you flexing with the thin stack. Hey bitch, you been whacked, I kill 'em all.
What's up guys, your Black Rider here with a Corvette C6. It's a friend's car that he drives time attack. We're gonna show videos and pictures a little later on my channel, so keep yourself updated when I'm gonna release the video of today. We're in Mantorp with his time and his results and everything. He did get his best time in Kinnikulle. It's another track in Sweden, 2 weeks ago I think it was. So it'll be something different for me to do. I'm going to link his Instagram, guys. Follow him if you want to see more progress on his car and his time attack journey that he's going to do for this season. From the Black Rider, I'm out. Peace.
I'm not gonna lie to you kids, it's a f***ing jungle out there. Keep your head on tight, unknown brain and mind me, baby, let's do it. Y'all see me flying, never drop down, smoking high, I am not round, I'm not round, no denying what I got now, keep an eye out, keep it locked down, see me flying, never drop down, smoking high, I am not round, I'm not round, no denying what I got now, keep an eye out, keep it locked down, you're too strong, wanna battle with the beast, bring a few on, the commander and the chief for my crew on. Bullets rattling and whistle at your toque. Never sleep, eyes open, hands clutching on my loop. This a war zone. This a war zone. Yo, this a motherfucking war zone. I'm living, see me riding with my top down. Oh, cops round, pedal pressing on the gas, I don't think I'll ever stop.